This is your Dyson Airwrap HS01, your best friend for perfect curls, effortless styling, and making you feel like a hair goddess. But one day, boom! It just stops working. No heat, no airflow, nothing. And you're standing there like, why, Dyson, why? Okay, before you panic, let me tell you what's actually going on. If your Dyson Airwrap HS01 suddenly stops working, won't turn on, or just acts weird, chances are the PCB is faulty. A faulty PCB means your Airwrap can't power up properly, overheats, or just gives up on life. This tiny but crucial component controls everything, and when it fails, so does your Dyson. Now, before you try fixing it yourself, stop. The Airwrap is a high-tech machine, not a DIY project. You might think you know what the problem is, but you could be completely wrong, leading to wasted time and effort, and potentially making the situation even worse. The only way to fix a PCB issue is through a professional repair. This isn't something you can DIY. So, you're grappling with a temperamental Airwrap thanks to that pesky PCB issue? Time to call in the experts. At RoboCare, we're Dyson experts, and we've seen the Dyson Airwrap HS01's PCB problem countless times. Our technicians undergo rigorous training and have years of experience diagnosing and repairing these complex styling tools. We know what to look for and how to fix it safely and effectively. And after RoboCare's expert repair, the Dyson Airwrap HS01 is working like new, perfectly styling every strand with ease and the confidence of a brand new device. Don't let a faulty Airwrap ruin your day. Contact RoboCare today for all your Dyson Airwrap repair needs.